2015च्या इफ्फी काळातले पडून आशिल्ले कोयर संकलनाचे 22 लाख गोंय मनरिजवण संस्थेन पणजे महापालिकेक फेडले। 2 वर्सां हे बिल फारीक करूंक नाशिल्ल्यान पालिकेन मनरिजवण संस्थेक कडक पत्र बरिल्ले। मजगतीं पालिकेन पणजे मार्केटाचे सोपो वसुली करपी दोगा कंत्राटदारांक 42 लाखां खातीर नोटीसी धाडल्यात, अशी माहिती पणजेचे महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादो हांणी दिल्या। RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनोली।
EIG, Entertainment Society of Goa, has not paid CCB some 22 lakhs for the solid waste management services given by CCB in the year 2015. We had written 4 reminders, nothing was done. Because we were asking the amount in 2016, they gave it to private contractor. When it was brought to my notice, I informed you all and you were kind enough in giving a good coverage. And I am pleased to announce that yesterday, within 4 days of coming in the papers and in the print electronic media, yesterday we got this 22 lakhs odd amount check. So I am thankful to the media that they have come to my rescue of publishing this thing, and within 4 days I get. For last 2 years, my commissioner is to write letters. Nothing was happening. When it was brought to the notice of the mayor, I gave it to you all, you all publish, and within 4 days we got the money. My honorable commissioner has sent 2 notices, demand notices to the previous crop of contractors who have not paid us the amount. It's a big amount it is. Okay. This happened when my honorable corporators made a hue and cry in couple of meetings, corporation meetings, demanding that FIR should be filed against officers who were involved in this SOPO racket. One fellow was also suspended. This is Rajan C. Mayengar to pay an amount of rupees 10,33,450. Auctioning for the month of January, February 2015. Therefore, to pay the auctioning dues of 37,34,150 of all these years which are not paid. Second notice has gone to Sonare Hospitality Services, MAPSA, whereby demand notice has gone for 5,19,999 with 9% interest. All this thing has come up because of my honorable corporators, all 30 corporators. They used to make hue and cry why this SOPO man has not been paying money to us, why money is not coming to CCB coffers. Only when my honorable corporators started shouting that the commissioner acted, and today this final demand notice is gone, and I am confident with this we will get the money back. I have instructed my commissioner that I want the copies of contract of SOPO, contract of pay parking, because I am going to understand this contract agreement which was finalized by CCB is one way. I want to send it to a panel of lawyers with 4 lawyers to see that in future such things don't happen, and that our agreement of whether SOPO or pay parking is very strong like we did for the Panjim Tenant Market Association.